Tyrannosaurus rex had a gargantuan head and mouth. But they didn't know much in detail about how it worked as the animal's major tool in gathering food. Now, scientists have the tools to ask, just how bad was T-Rex's bite? Biologist Greg Erickson thinks he knows. When not in the lab, Erickson is in the field wrangling gators. There, he has taken his two passions and fused them in a cutting-edge research program to test his theories about the bite of T-Rex.
Crocodilians are the only toothed archosaurian reptiles. In other words, they're close relatives of the group that dinosaurs belong to, but they're the only ones living that have teeth. So crocodilians are our best model to figure out how the teeth and the muscles and the jaws and all that worked biomechanically to allow these animals to generate bite forces.
In order to determine the bite force of a living alligator, Erickson uses a tool called a bite force transducer.
Basically what we do is you go up to an alligator and tap them on the snout and they'll open up. They're more than willing to bite you. And you stick this device on their teeth and they bite down on that and it registers the force instantly, and we record that on our computers.
The data Erickson collects allows him to understand how everything from the tissue to the teeth to bones and muscle of an alligator function, enabling him to estimate what the actual bite force of T-Rex would have been.
It's all very preliminary at this point, but I suspect that the bite forces of Tyrannosaurus rex were somewhere in the range of 20,000 pounds. Essentially cut right through you is what it would do. They wouldn't actually get a grip on you as much as they just take a huge chunk out of you.